So after watching Andrew Tate for over a month, I was sucked into his way of life. I mean, the guy has like 23 cars and lived an insane lifestyle. So I decided I would try Andrew Tate's Hustlers University to get into dropshipping and learn how to generate millions of dollars like his students do and literally become a top G that makes millions of dollars online by just running businesses on his laptop. And after paying the $50 fee, I hopped onto the dropshipping section of his Discord where I was planning on becoming a success like the kids you see in the course, posting their winning screenshots like every single day. So I went into the course section and used the criteria from the course to find a great product that I thought would be clean and good, and we settled on this dishwasher product that I thought would work really well. After doing that, I then decided to follow the course when it came to the website creation section of the whole course. This led to me creating an absolutely terrible website. We then moved on into the Facebook marketing section, spent a couple $100 in there, and after trying everything for like 3 days, I'd spent well over $400 to make back only $120 in revenue. Basically, we made a complete loss. So I posted and documented my 3-day journey on YouTube, and then I got a ton of negative comments about how I should have given it more time and spent more money. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing. I'm going to increase my budget and try Hustlers University for a little bit longer to see what happens when someone with some dropshipping knowledge and a bigger budget actually gives dropshipping on Hustlers University a chance and actually tries. So the problem that I first faced was obviously going to be my product. I thought it was good, but it turns out it was absolutely saturated and not in high demand. So I searched again and again for another product that would hopefully be better this time. I consulted some dudes in the Discord with a product that I thought was good, and then I eventually settled on this product. Someone on the Discord had scaled it up on TikTok and was looking to do the same on Facebook ads. So I thought I should do the exact same thing, but first, we shifted our product to this one for a couple of reasons. First, it fit perfectly into the criteria of the course. Second, it was recommended by some of the guys on Discord. And thirdly, I had vetted it with the millionaire mentor in the Discord myself, Sorby. So now with the perfect product, we were now ready to move on into creating the website. So when it came to the website, I wanted to follow Andrew Tate's course perfectly. But then I realized that this website would possibly be trash. Because I mean, the website creation section of this course is literally terrible. The website the course instructs you to build doesn't even have reviews and is basically terrible. But in the name of being consistent and honest with the review of the course, I decided that I think I just need to create a website that was basically exactly the same as the website that the course taught me to create, so that you guys would know what you would be creating if you guys bought this course. So with all that said, this is what our website looks like. But with that done, it now came time for the harder section of dropshipping, marketing. Because marketing is dropshipping means two things. First, it means creating viral and clickable ads that entice people to buy your product. And secondly, it means having and coming up with a good ad strategy that you choose to implement that will actually get good clicks and views to your store. So for trying to find a great ad to show to my customers, I was told by Sorby, the millionaire mentor, as well as some people in the Discord, that the best way to move forward for a beginner would be to try and outsource some of this stuff to try and get the best ad to promote to the customers, especially if you don't really know how to edit high converting ads that make people want to buy your products. Now on the Discord, a bunch of websites were suggested, but one that was mentioned a ton of times and everyone liked because it was relatively cheap was this website called DropVids, a website that was literally used for finding viral products and also finding winning videos. So I went on to DropVids, paid my $10 fee, pretty cheap, looked for my product, and then I realized that they actually had it. After I saw my product on there, I then decided to download the file with a video ad and then use that ad that I downloaded as my Facebook ad that I was going to advertise to the thousands of people that were going to see and hopefully buy my products. The reason I was so cool with just posting this ad was because I knew that the ad was probably going to be very good. Because I mean, it was literally created by professional editors who have scaled stores to thousands of dollars. So we went onto Facebook, plugged my ad on there, and then I tried the same Facebook ad strategy as last time, spending $100 on day one. After spending $100, I made back an absolutely $0. But the thing was that I realized was the problem was obviously the website. I mean, the ad that I got from DropVids was performing really well, bringing in over 400 visitors with only $100 spent on ads. That's a really high converting video. But even with all those visitors, the sales weren't there to back up my store because we had a problem. And so I went back to the drawing board and then I decided to actually go ahead and create a completely new website that I knew knew would be better than the one that was taught on Hustlers University, and after doing that, I immediately saw much better results. But on day 2 and day 3, I spent $200 on Facebook ads per day and came back with a clean revenue of $300 on day 3. I decided I would double down, and I went even harder on the Facebook ad strategy that we were using. And after trying this challenge for a 1 whole week, we had spent over 12 days on dropshipping using Hustlers University, and we have made a grand total of... So after trying this for that long, this is how much money we were able to make with Andrew Tate's course, which is still crazy because that's a decent amount of money. Now, was that all profit? No, still we made a loss of a couple $100. I think if we had a good website from the beginning, we would have had a much better time trying this course. I think we would have actually been able to break even or even be a little bit profitable. So would I suggest trying Andrew Tate's course? I mean, nothing here is new. Everything you can literally learn from YouTube, and the website creation section is just terrible. But it is not a scam, and yeah. See you guys in a month where hopefully I can grow this store to some pretty high numbers.